Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on the ultimate guide to optimizing your Shopify store for SEO. If you're a Shopify store owner, you will know the importance of getting traffic to your site that leads to conversions, more revenue and sales. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most effective ways to boost your traffic organically through SEO, or search engine optimization is also what it's known as. So with the right SEO strategies, you can help your Shopify store rank high in the search engine results, bringing more eyes to your products, increasing conversions, and ultimately driving sales. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to optimize your Shopify store for SEO in 2024. This includes everything from keyword research to technical setup, and how to create engaging, optimized content. First, why should Shopify store owners prioritize SEO? Unlike paid ads, which require constant funding, SEO brings in traffic organically. SEO is a long-term strategy, and although it takes time to see results, it creates a sustainable flow of visitors over time. You can expect that SEO strategies usually take 6 months to mature, so it will take time, so patience is very important, and consistency. The reality is ranking high in search engines like Google or Bing means more visibility, better trust with customers, and ultimately higher conversions and higher conversion rates. Search engine marketing has over a 40% higher chance of conversions compared to social media ads, as people are actively searching for your type of products, meaning they are interested in already buying that product. It's a more natural way of marketing compared to social media marketing campaigns, for example, by comparison. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the steps you need to optimize your store for SEO. 1. Understanding your target audience. Before you start optimizing, you need to understand your audience. Think about what terms they might use to find your products. For example, if you sell organic skincare, your audience might search for terms like organic face cream or natural skincare for sensitive skin, for example. Keyword research tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, and SEMrush can help you identify the most relevant and high converting, high volume keywords. You'll want a mixture of broad keywords like organic skincare and long tail keywords like best organic face cream for sensitive skin. Combining them both works really well. Number B, choose high value keywords. Once you've identified keywords, evaluate their volume and competitiveness. High volume, low competition keywords are ideal for maximizing your SEO efforts without overwhelming competition that can get in your way. On-page SEO involves optimizing the content on your site to help search engines understand what it's about and rank it higher. Now let's go over a few key on-page elements you need to focus on that will help you achieve this. Product titles and descriptions are a key part to this. Make sure each product title and description includes relevant keywords, but don't stuff them with a lot of words. Write them naturally. For example, instead of just face cream, try hydrating face cream with organic ingredients. Okay, so that's very important. Your product description should give the customer useful information, but it should also tell search engines what the product is about. On the other hand, we also have meta titles and meta descriptions. Meta titles and meta descriptions are what users see on search engine result pages, so they need to be enticing but also keyword rich. The difference between a product title, product description, meta title, and meta description is meta titles and meta descriptions are more for the search engines. They're specifically for that to get the clicks. Whereas when they go and click that from the search engine to your website, they see your product title and product description. So your product title and product description are usually specific to the product, whereas the SEO meta title and meta description are to get the traffic through the various Google platforms, mainly Google Shopping, for example, for that type of product. For instance, instead of generic face cream, you could write hydrating organic face cream for radiant skin with free shipping. You have 75 characters for meta titles. I find the sweet spot's about 50 characters, as you don't want a keyword stuff your titles. It makes you look bad when on the search platform and actually ranks you lower. Meta descriptions, you should summarize what's on the page and encourage users to click. Now you have 300 characters. You don't need to use them all again. You don't want to keyword stuff. A simple example is you can use an AI writing tools like ChatGPT, for example, this. Discover our organic face cream made for sensitive skin. Enjoy natural hydration with free shipping on orders over $50. It explains the product quickly and easily, has high converting keywords like organic, natural, and hydration that we got from our research tools that sounds natural and helps with indexing and ranking high in SEO. Number C, alt text for images. Every image on your Shopify store should have alt text that describes the image content. This not only helps improve accessibility for visually impaired users, but also helps search engines understand your content and rank the actual images for people to click. For example, in the alt description, instead of just face cream, you could use something more descriptive like jar of hydrating organic face cream for sensitive skin. And just remember, you also have 75 characters for this. Don't keyword stuff. Just make sure you add the right keywords to get the maximum exposure. Mobile optimization. Over 50% of website traffic now comes from mobile devices, so your store must be optimized for mobile. Shopify themes are generally mobile friendly, but make sure to test it out on different devices, especially phones like Samsung and iPhone are the main ones. You can use free tools like Lambda-Test in a free account to try actual devices. It's generally used for quality assurance, but can easily be used to audit your store if you don't have those devices handy, because they actually have the devices and you can do it all online. Another option, simpler one, is also that you can use the Shopify preview feature, change it to the mobile, and check how your website functions on mobile, okay? This is just a preview, so I still recommend testing on actual devices, as you will get very different results at times. Make sure buttons are easily clickable, images load quickly, and that there's no annoying scroll-sided text or technical bugs in the home page, product page, cart page, checkout, experience are the main ones you want to focus on, at least in the beginning. Make sure as well to improve your load speed. Page speed is a significant factor in improving your SEO. If your site is slow, visitors are more likely to leave, which increases your bounce rate and hurts your SEO massively. You can use free tools. It's like page speed insights that will give you a detailed report to identify issues, compress images, limit the use of heavy scripts, and consider a fast Shopify theme to improve load times helps massively. Number C, setting up for 301 redirects. Now, if you change a product URL, always set up a 301 redirect to prevent broken links. Broken links hurt your SEO and frustrate customers who land on 404 pages. No one likes being on a 404 page. Okay, you can use tools like the Google Search Console for this. It's a recommended tool that I always recommend you set up for SEO, and it's free. You verify your domain, and once you get through the verification process, it usually takes a couple of minutes. Then you submit your sitemap.xml. This will allow you to quickly find errors and see where you're not ranking very well. This is a very important step in building your brand, and we're going to discuss that more. Okay, so blogging on Shopify is creating a blog on your Shopify store. It is one of the best ways to boost SEO and establish your store as an authority. Blog posts let you target keywords that might not fit directly on product pages with pretty much unlimited text. So for example, let's say that you're selling, again, organic skincare products. A blog post titled 5 Benefits to Organic Skincare for Sensitive Skin lets you add valuable, keyword-rich content that can draw more traffic. It's authentic and people really resonate with it. Number B, engaging customers with guides and tutorials. If you want regular blog posts, consider adding guides or tutorials related to your products. Really helps. Content that helps educate your customers, like how to choose the right face cream for your skin type, can attract potential buyers at the research stage. If you turn it into videos, it is even more engaging at the same time. So partnering with influencers and bloggers and other brands is another key way of getting sustainable traffic long-term and building a network. Building backlinks from reputable sites improves your SEO significantly. You can reach out to influencers and bloggers to review your products or feature them on their website, which helps massively. A single link from a high quality site can boost your ranking massively and improves your DR score, your domain reputation is what that is known as in SEO world. You can use tools like SEMrush or Screaming Frog to help identify their quality, especially their traffic, and their DR is a very important element. And you can get these tools for free. You can just sign up. Create valuable content like infographics that people want to share or link to. For example, an infographic on the top organic skincare ingredients can bring in backlinks from other blogs or social media very easily, as it converts really well. I recommend using tools like ChatGPT to make sure you add that human element, because it is far more engaging and people resonate with it. People are aware of AI tools. And then you can use tools as well like Copyscape to make sure that the AI content doesn't infringe on other content for your protection. Always be careful when using AI generated content. It could infringe. With Copyscape, you can get credits to check and always verify the integrity and ensure you are safe. And in turn, you actually rank higher because the content is unique and it is valuable, and Google will always rank you higher for that. Now, for example, a lot of people watching, if you have a brick and mortar location, don't overlook local SEO. It'll still help you massively over the long run. You can claim your Google My Business profile for free and include your location in keywords. For example, best organic skincare stores in Austin, Texas. And local SEO can help you drive foot traffic to your store and boost your online visibility, get more phone calls, get more inquiries. If you don't though have a physical location, you can get virtual addresses using tools like Anytime Mailbox, but it may not sometimes work with Google My Business. So as a tip, I recommend searching for companies that have Google My Business. Anytime Mailbox does work, but not in every location, depending on the location. It does help massively with authority and drives a lot more traffic and conversions to your brand, especially over the long term. And when you're setting up, make sure you add your website, your phone number, address, opening hours, business starting date. Really helps as people look at this regularly, right? Because people can then review you, and it helps add a lot of authenticity and integrity to your business. It's just important to remember that SEO isn't a one and all done deal. You need to track your progress now and make improvements regularly long term. You can use tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and SEMrush for this. Track where your traffic is coming from and identify which page is performing best, which page is performing worst, identify bugs, and fix them all ongoing, because it continually helps you rank higher and higher so other people don't take your place. So you look at other keyword rankings and then your conversion rates, see which pages have a higher bounce rate and optimize them further. Remember, SEO is a continual process. So it's important to keep an eye on what's working and what needs improvement. See what your competition are doing too. You can also monitor them. Helps you understand key areas that you might be missing. So in conclusion, optimizing your Shopify store for SEO might seem like a lot, but it pays off big time in organic traffic and conversions that are stable long term. Start with the basics: keyword research, on-page SEO, and content creation. And don't forget to monitor your progress. Use the tools above. Most have free plans to get you started, to start driving traffic and sales to your brand very quickly, very easily. It's very important that you're consistent with this. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more e-commerce and Shopify tips. Let us know in the comments, what's one SEO tip you'll be trying first. Until next time, keep optimizing and growing your brand and store, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.